work of art, that hedge. Aha te mea.
Tommy passed away this morning.
Oh, where te mamai. I thought he was getting better.
Yeah.
Him and Tama are close, you know.
Like brothers.
I'm going to go and get him from school.
Dad, how are we going to get him through this?
Pono, grief is one of the toughest journeys a whānau can take. I won't be long. He pai ana tama. He rāpauri tēnei. You know, everyone grieves differently. Sometimes you can be sad, lonely, angry, all in the same day.
Well, I don't know if I feel anything.
Yeah, that too. Can make you numb, boy. I remember when my old man passed away, I didn't think I'd ever smile again.
I don't know why I had to be him.
Oh, I can't answer that one, boy. But we've got you, and his whānau need us too.
I don't know what I'd say to them.
Kei te pai, you don't have to say anything. Just being there shows your aroha. Whatever we do, just be there.
I could do that.